Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert dual physical SIM card on your device. Guys, you have bought this new Samsung phone and you don't know how many SIMs you can insert in it. Where to put the SIM card? Or does it have a microSD card slot? This type of various question may be arise in your mind. So don't worry, I will guide you completely in this video. First of all, you need a SIM ejector tool, which is given inside your mobile box. Now take it out from the box. After that, you will find the SIM slot hole on the top of the phone. Now insert this pin into the hole and press it gently. Then the SIM slot pop-up will come out. If not, press this pin a little harder. When the SIM slot pop-up will come out, pull out the SIM slot by hand. Guys, this is a dual SIM slot. You can place two physical nano SIM on both sides. Also, you can add multiple eSIM card on your device. But at the same time, you can use only two SIM card. That is, two physical SIM card, or one physical and one eSIM, or two eSIM card. Also, there is no microSD card slot. If you need an additional storage, you can plug in the pen drive or SSD storage with Type-C charging port. Guys, now insert two physical SIM card on the slot one by one. The metal side of the SIM card should be facing up, and it must be properly inserted into the slot. Otherwise, your SIM slot may be damaged. If you want to remove the SIM card from it, gently hit the SIM slot. After that, one SIM will come out. Then you can remove the another SIM card. Friends, this way you can insert and remove the SIM card in your SIM slot. After that, I reinserted the two SIM into the slot. SIM 1 will be placed at the top and SIM 2 at the bottom. Now place the SIM slot with the top text upward and slowly insert into the phone. After SIM installation is complete, it will take some time to catch the network signal. Now open the quick panel from the top. Here you can choose SIM 1 and SIM 2 for calls, SMS and internet service. Now tap on calls. Here you will get three options. Ask always. If you set Ask Always, SIM 1 and SIM 2 pop-up will appear while making outgoing calls. Also, you can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 for outgoing calls directly. Once the SIM card is set for calling, then tap on Message. Now you can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 for messaging service. In this way, you can set SIM 1 or SIM 2 for internet service. Friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.